Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to navigate your search results in Notion. Unveil the full potential of your search result in Notion by learning how to sort and filter them with ease. After conducting a search, locate the sorting options at the top left of the search window. Click the drop-down menu to reveal various sorting methods. Opt for Best Matches, the default, to see the most relevant results first. Prioritize recently edited content and page titles for quicker access. If you're looking for specific edits, use the last edited, newest first, or last edited, oldest first options. To focus on creation dates, select created, newest first, or created, oldest first. But that's not all. Beneath the search input area, you will spot the filtering options by applying filters creatively. You can precisely refine your search results to pinpoint exactly what you're after. Elevate your search game in Notion by mastering sorting and filtering, ensuring you to find what you need effortlessly. By combining filters, you can refine your search result to find exactly what you are looking for. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.